everyone, welcome to the channel. Have you ever heard of the word pattern making? A word that you hear constantly in apparel construction or simply a dressmaking. If you're interested in fashion design, sewing, or simply creating your own clothes, then pattern making is something you definitely need to know about. So we are here today. In today's video, we are going to discuss about what pattern making is, the different types of pattern making, some common techniques, and why it is so important in fashion designing. So without a further ado, let's get started. So let's start with understanding what pattern making is. Pattern making is the process of creating a template for a garment. Patterns are nothing but a replica of a garment components, or you can simply call it as a template to cut the fabric for your design. This template acts like a guide that helps you to cut the fabric into correct shape and size before stitching the final outfit. You can think of this pattern like a blueprint, but for a garment. Without a proper pattern, it is very difficult to get that right fit, shape, and of course the style. Pattern making is used for everything from simple skirt, tops to complicated gowns, jackets, and designer outfits, and for everything. And now that you know what is pattern and pattern making is, let's get into the techniques. There are mainly three common types of pattern making techniques, that is drafting, draping, and flat pattern technique. Let's start with the technique number one, that is drafting. Drafting is when the patterns are made using a body measurement and the construction line with the help of tools such as the rulers, French curve, hip curve, measuring tape, which we will be discussing in detail in later videos. The next technique is draping. Draping is when the fabric is placed directly on the dress form. Remember, directly on the dress form to create a shape of a garment. Sounds simple, right? Draping is a three-dimensional method of creating a garment or creating a pattern. Designer uses pins to adjust the fabric until they get the desired look. After that, the fabric shape is transferred onto the paper to make the final pattern. Now the third technique is flat pattern making. As the name itself says, it is a two-dimensional way of creating a pattern. Flat pattern is done by using a basic pattern. We also call it as a block or a slope. So you can adopt these patterns to change into a different styles. For example, you can use a basic bodice block, decrease its length to get a crop top, or you can use a same basic bodice block, increase its length to get a dress or even a jacket design, for example. So that's about the techniques. Now the question is, why is this pattern and pattern making is so important in fashion design? The answer is very simple. Pattern making is important because it helps to create a garment that fits properly. It also helps to save fabric, reduce mistakes, and make the sewing process easier. So if you enjoy this video, do not forget to like, comment, and subscribe. Also let me know in the comments which topic you want to learn next. Thank you for watching. I'll see you in the next video.